This was the official two-sided tablet holder, which apparently is too wide and too heavy. So I'm taking it back apart to put a different back on it so it sits flat. So I'm actually going to have two flat tablet holders. I got the idea from one of those pictures where they use like a router and a block of wood, but I don't have a router and a block of wood. And it would actually take longer with the saw, chipping it out with the chisel. So I just made it. And if it works, I'm going to paint it. I'm going to keep this one for me on the counter. Maybe for when it's charging. The other one, I'm going to put a back on it so it can lean against the desk. We can put a rubber bottom on it so it doesn't slide. This one will hold itself. That one, it's going to need a little bit of coercion, like one of those things, anti-slip on the bottom and a tall back. So it's going to be a 2x4. I don't have a 2x6 handy, or a piece of, instead of 2x4, it'd be like a 1x4 or something along those lines. So that's what this one's going to turn into. And this one is like it is, and it's likable. Like it is. For me, it's going to work. It's heavy duty. Enough. Ta-da!